Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World. And as you can see, I got the Samsung 10,000 milliamp hour fast charge battery pack. Now, I got this from Samsung simply because I pre-ordered the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and I'm actually shooting with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus right now. So hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know how this looks to you. Now, you'll find this on Samsung's website for $34.99. I actually found it a little bit cheaper on Amazon.com. So I'll leave the link in the description down below for you guys to go have a closer look at this one. But if you go through the link, this does support the channel and it helps for me to do more product reviews. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick this review off. All right, you all, let's have a closer look at this. Now, first off, I recommend this, right? I think every household should have one. This is going to allow you not to be bound at the outlet plug, right? And it is good for vacations. You can leave this in the office or you can simply have this on your person. It is not that big. It is not that thick. It's lightweight. It's going to fit in your pocket very, very nicely. Now, for the Galaxy Note 10, you're going to be able to get up to at least a charge and a half out of this 10,000 milliamp hour battery. For the Galaxy S10, you may get up to two full charges for that particular phone. Now, it is a 15-watt charger. It supports Samsung's fast charge and also quick charge 2.0. Now, it's going to take you up to 220 minutes to charge this, which isn't a bad deal. I simply charge it overnight, so therefore it's ready for me in the morning to put back in my vehicle. So therefore, when I need to top off my smartphone, I am good to go. Now, I recommend this. This gets my stamp of approval. I thought Samsung did a really good job with this one. I was very surprised at my testing, but let's go ahead. Let's have a closer look at this. See if we can get this out of the box. All right, you get fast charger. You also get a cord in here too, right? So you don't have to go buy one. It supports USB Type-C, which is pretty cool. I like that. And also you get a set of instructions that you are not going to need, so you can put this to the side. Now let's have a look at this charger. Now, it's silver. I would have preferred black, right? You got 10,000 fast charge down at the bottom. You got Samsung's logo on the top. So it's not a bad deal. The silver does look really nice. Now, let's size it up with the Galaxy Note 9. It's shorter, right? But it's also thicker. But the thing about this one, right, surprisingly, it is lightweight, ladies. So you fit this in your purse without weighing it down. Guys, you can put this in your pocket. You'll lose it if you have it in there too long. This has a nice weight to it. I like it. Now, up at the top, you're going to get your dual charging. And most of you all were looking for this on the last video that I did of the Samsung wireless battery pack charger. And you didn't like that. So this one has dual charging for you. It also has USB Type-C to charge the actual unit up. And also, this lets you know where you are with your battery percentage, right? You got LED meters. So this is nice. I like it. It feels good, very smooth, not too slippery at all. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's check this dual charging out real quick. Get this cord. And let's plug it in. All right, that's the Galaxy Note 9. Let's check out the Galaxy S7 Edge. All right, we're good to go with this one, people. Now, you're dual charging, so if you need to charge up two devices, your wife's and yours, you are all good. Let's unplug this real quick. Now, let's talk about the testing with this one. Now, in my testing, again, as I said, I was very surprised at what I got. Now, in 35 minutes, I was able to get up to 44%. No, it is not 50, but 44 is pretty good for 35 minutes. Within an hour, I was able to get up to 77% charge. Now, to get fully charged, it took an hour and 35 minutes. That's not bad at all. So depending on where you're charging from, whether it be 20%, 40%, 60%, it's going to depend on how long this is going to last you. But it's not a bad deal for what we're getting out of this fast charge battery pack. Again, it is totally up to you on what you think. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this 10,000 milliamp hour fast charge battery pack by Samsung. And if you like the video, then make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.